How to add a music to Facebook story. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can add music to your Facebook story, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to add a music to your Facebook story, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch your Facebook application here, and once you launch your Facebook app you will see this type of interface where what you need to do is just try to tap the create story option and select a random story that you would like to add here. Now that I want to add music, on the right hand side you'll most likely find the music icon, so make sure to tap the music icon here and simply search for the music that you want to add over here. Once you search for the music you want to add, you can just go ahead and select them. If you want, you can also change the style to like this. You can change the colors, or you can also select invisible icons here, and this way you'll be able to add music to your Facebook story. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.